WorldRemit website not loading. Fix. If the WorldRemit website is not loading, do not worry. Here's how to fix it. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data is working. Step 2. Refresh and try another browser. Reload the page or open the WorldRemit in a different browser. Step 3. Clear browser cache and cookies. This removes all data that may be causing the problem. Step 4. Disable VPN or ad blockers. Turn off any VPNs or extensions that could be blocking the website. Step 5. Check if WorldRemit is down. Try opening the site on another device or network. Step 6. Contact WorldRemit support. If it still won't load, reach out to support for help. Pro tips: use an updated browser, avoid public Wi-Fi, and keep screenshots of any error message.